Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can share your Squarespace site, so let's get right into it. Now, you can share them in a couple of ways. You can go over into settings, and under website, you can check for, editors, or rather, I think it's under developer tools. You can go ahead and add other people, permissions and ownership. You can go to permissions and ownership and invite a contributor, and then invite somebody through their email and their name, and once they accept, they'll be a contributor to the site. But that is only one way to share your site. The other way is to actually share the site URL once it's published, and to publish it, you need to go into domains and email, click on domains, click whichever domain you're using, and disengage the lock on your site, and once you do that, then your site will be public, and once it's public, you can share the URL. Now, to share the URL, you just use your site ID, and if it's the built-in one, it is your site id.squarespace.com, and people can access your site from there. And if you want to point them to a specific page, just go to your pages menu and select whichever page you want to point them to, click on the cog, and under URL slug, this is what goes after that URL. So your site id.squarespace.com/blog21 in this case, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.